Guys, in this video I will be organizing my yarn stash. It's become really messy and I already bought some new yarn also, so this is just a video of me organizing. If you're new here, I am Laura. I am a crocheter. Here I'm just looking at what yarn I have and all of my new yarn also, and I already cleaned the boxes too where I'm gonna put the yarn. And here's me just trying to organize them to see what works. And yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm really trying to stay organized with my yarn so that I know what different types of yarn I have, how much of them, and so on. For me, this is a lot of yarn because I haven't had ever this much yarn in my whole life, and that's a lot for me. At least I'm really happy now because I have so much yarn that I'm not afraid that I'm gonna run out of it if I make something like plushies. Here I'm trying to organize the black, white and gray yarn that I have. And here I'm trying to see what different colors of yarn I have and trying what works for me. I thought of doing a rainbow like organizing method because it looks really pretty in my opinion. At this moment I thought I didn't have enough space because I had so much yarn, so I was trying to like see how can I arrange them so that they all fit. I would also like to know how do you organize your yarn, so you can comment below. Now that I have this much yarn, I think I'm gonna make a lot of plushies in the future, and they're just so fun to make. The yarn type I am organizing right now is plushie yarn. It's called Honey Bunny and it's from Hobby. I buy from Hobby's website because in my city there's not really much like yarn stores because I live in Finland. So I have to buy from the websites, and this is really good quality yarn in my opinion. I would really love that experience of going to a store and shopping for yarn, looking what there is, but it's just sad it's not possible for me. Also, I apologize for my English language and skills. English is not my first language, so now I realize that the green yarn is not fitting in this box, so I had to take it out and I'm gonna place it in just like a couple of minutes. I'm gonna place it with the gray yarn. I also make plushies and crochet tops, bucket hats, and trying to like see what I like to crochet. And I also have a website where I sell my handmade crochet items, and there will be a link below for that. And here I am placing the green yarn with the grays, and I don't like this at all because it doesn't look that good, but I didn't know what else to do. I didn't have enough space, sadly. I am just trying to make some videos of crochet and this type of stuff, like organizing my yarn. So if you want me to make like some type of content, you can like put the ideas in the comment section. I will check that out, because now I'm just really trying what different things for videos work for me and what you guys would like. I will also have my social media links in the description. I post mostly on my Instagram. Here I am almost done organizing the plush yarn. Here are all the yarn bags I emptied, and I might just as well organize those. Here I took them all out of the box and put them on the floor to see what different colors I have and how much of them. As I was editing, I was like, yeah, really good angle. I will switch it in just a moment. This angle is better. Here I am organizing a friend's cotton yarn, also from Hobby. I really like this cotton yarn because it's really soft to work with, and it comes out really good for making tops and bucket hats for summer. I am organizing again with the rainbow organizing method. And here is just a time lapse of me organizing this yarn. Right now on making a frog plushie pattern. It will be out in the near future, and I am also planning on selling frog plushies because they are really easy to make and they won't be as expensive as the other bigger crochet items. I am also working right now on a granny square series. I post every day one short on YouTube of one granny square, and every day there's a different granny square. And I have also posted one tutorial video for one granny square that was so popular on my channel. Here I'm almost done organizing my cotton yarn. I'm just putting in the yarn scraps. And now the plush yarn scraps. And here is the end result. I really love how it turned out. Thank you for watching.